go.
In the bowl.
Man! Oh, they're gonna hit my boat. Give me my picture.
Hold it up for the camera.
That's the only reason you want to come back here.
Oh.
I broke my windshield. I think I'm running over them.
I think you ran over that wall and kicked the motor. Still recording?
Yeah, I hit it again.